How to hide the number of subscribers so that our subscribers grow quickly. This is my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And today, I will hide the subscriber count. Okay, just start the tutorial. First, let's open the Google Chrome application. Then in the search field, we type youtube.com. Select the three dots in the upper right corner, and then select the desktop site. Then select your channel logo. Then long press the YouTube Studio menu. Then a command will appear, and select Open in New tab. Then select the tab list, and open the YouTube Studio tab. Then select this three-line menu. And then select Settings. Next, we select the channel menu. And then select Advanced Settings. Next, swipe up and find the subscriber count menu. Then in the menu show the number of subscribers, we remove the checklist. And then select Save. OK, and now we've managed to hide the subscriber count.
See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.